Making money is a formula. Being broke is a formula. You can either operate on the formula that creates wealth or the formula that keeps you broke and miserable. That was exactly where I was some 10 years ago. I was operating on a formula that kept me broke, miserable, jumping from one business tree to the other. I had no penny to my name in the bank and I was living from hands to mouth. Until I discovered the real formula that creates wealth, and I realized anybody can be financially independent if they have the right financial vehicle with the right information. And this strikes me that the right financial vehicle equals financial freedom. Come 19th February year 2022, the Under 30 Millionaire Project will be launching a wealth creation summit tagged Economy Designer. How you can create your own economy and begin to change your own life. This is the biggest financial formula ever seen in history. And if you have a plan to be anywhere, I want you to cancel that plan right now and go and register for this event, because this is faith directing you into a positive direction and you can't afford to miss this. I will be there, and I will also be there with a lot of other successful entrepreneurs who have benefited greatly from this great opportunity, where you are going to learn how you can digitally create your own economy and begin to earn an income from the comfort of your home or anywhere you are at all. This is a huge project you can't afford to miss, and we are looking for open-minded individuals like you who want to take charge of their own economy and begin to create their own economy, not tomorrow but today. It doesn't matter who you are. You could be a
doctor,
banker,
engineer, corps member,
fashion designer,
student,
driver, or whatever you may be. Everyone deserves a shot at better finances. Come along with all your friends in dire need of financial